Those radius lights put out enough light that they could replace a lot of current temporary job site lighting that would make it that much brighter. The radius lights output is a true white LED lighting. Doesn't have any heat output to it, and it lasts a long time on that battery.
It's great that it's cordless. You can take it anywhere. What I like about the Milwaukee radius light is its adaptability in terms of not needing a generator or an extension cord. When I'm working in a dark spot during a shutdown, I can just push the button and I've got light right away.
It's very nice to be able to take a light, hang it on a pipe or whatever is hanging right there. It could be a ceiling wire. All you have to do is hang that light right there, turn it on, it's battery back, and now you got a very nice light that you're seeing for a long distance.
The ability to change it from a full 360 to 180 lighting was nice. Durability on that radius light, it's a LED. I don't have to replace a bulb on it. I don't have to worry about dropping it and breaking a bulb. A lot of the bulbs and a lot of other lights are expensive, especially when they get beat up and thrown around on a job site.
We use it pretty hard. Tend to just drop it in a gang box at the end of the day and pile our tools on top of it, and I haven't noticed any problems with it whatsoever.
The M18 Radius Sight Light is also available with OneKey. OneKey customization allows you to set your light remotely, optimize light brightness and runtime for your specific work area, as well as program automatic schedules to turn the light on or off at the designated times you have assigned. Customize, track, and manage your tools and equipment with OneKey.
Turn it on, let it go. It works great.